legend of the phoenix all ends with beginnings. What keeps the planet spinning? The force from the beginning. Look. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cause to the stars.
I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing better than me. I spent the past 2 hours trying to fix this fucking camera. I want to put a chunk of lead in between my eyes right now. Lesson learned. Don't have a schedule for 8 o'clock. A scheduled stream for 8 o'clock. Buy a new camera. And then expect it to be working in the first 10 minutes. Lesson learned. I'm going to write that down. I'm going to put that in the history books for future generations to know. When you get a camera at first, they're just broken. They're just broken. We know that now. We'll learn from our mistakes and that will not happen again. We are exactly 1 hour, 16 minutes, and 33 seconds late to the stream right now. Diabolical. I am late for work by 16 minutes and we're still going to stream for the next... We are still going to stream for the next 45 minutes. Why? Because we hate ourselves. And because Blender, robot arm. What just happened? Did I just invert it or something? That's crazy. I just inverted it. I don't know how. I did that. I didn't know I could do that. Ah, look at that. I can do that. Well, now I'm upside down. I'm upside down now. Yes. I hope you boys doing swell. Hey, what's up, my boy? Hey, it is nice seeing the both of you. It's very nice seeing the both of you. Let me tell you, it's really nice. I'm sorry that I'm starting the stream ass crack in the middle of the night. This is my bad. That's my bad. That's on me. That's on me. Okay. You being here, it means a lot to me. I appreciate it. You being here, it means a lot. How many DOF you think? All the DOF. All the DOF. All of it. Every DOF we can get, we're gonna get. What's the next Python stream? That's a good question. Very soon. Honest to God. Sorry, this is stupid loud, isn't it? I'm being way too loud, huh? But that's my bad. Sorry, I'm new camera. All the settings are fucked. You guys might go deaf. That's once again on me. I'll ensure that don't happen next stream. What is the next Python stream? Very soon. Probably the next one's gonna be Python stream. This one, I was expecting to be a lot quicker than it was, but we're still in Blender. That's not good. That's not good at all. That's not good. That's not good at all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my boys. Let's get into this. We have 45 minutes. You know what I'm saying? We have 45 minutes to cook or to just unfuck the thing we fucked up last stream, which was 3 days ago because I had to just clean my room. I just like physically, like psychologically and physically, or like what is the word? I had to clean my room. We're just gonna say that, literally and figuratively. That's the word I'm looking for. Well, yeah. What's up, my boy? It's almost 10 a.m. for me right now. It is 9 p.m. for me. Damn, it's 10 a.m. That's crazy. Love the camera angle. Thank you. I love your camera angle. You know, I love your camera angle. Hopefully it doesn't die. Hopefully a lot of things don't happen in this stream. Okay. This camera is the new camera that we're recording on is notorious for deciding that it doesn't want to exist anymore. So hopefully that doesn't happen whilst we are streaming. Right? And we don't have a tripod right now. Well, hold on. Okay, you guys get to be on the microwave edger here. You see See this? You get to be. It is inverted. Why is it inverted? How did I do this? Maybe I can just go back. There you go. Okay, let's go like this. Bam, 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 bam. Let's see. Now it's normal. That's the right way. All right, so you guys are going to be hanging on this thing. Microwave PC, y'all going to be like right here. You know, you get a side angle. There we go. We're just going to hope that this $1,000 new piece of equipment I have acquired doesn't shit itself. Oh my god. And it's already broken. Well, the zoom function is now broken. It does not work anymore. The zoom function is no longer with us. RIP zooming function. Okay. Let's get into this, yeah? Let's get into this. Alright, let's get some non-copyright music playing. Oh, might be deafening. Might be deafening, my bad. Okay, it's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. Oh, what's up, Forging King? I hope you're having a good one. I forgot what job you work at. Is that again? What job, dude? Our job is we work at a hospital. But hopefully not for long, because, ladies and gentlemen, shit's working. Shit's working. I don't know how. I don't know when. I don't know why. Hold on, let me turn down this thing real quick. Wait, one sec. Important announcement, but I do need a desktop audio input capture. We can remove this one, I think. Okay. There we go. That should be a little more tame, hopefully. Okay. News. Good news. Some reason, for some God knows what reason, but we were offered a sponsorship. Slowly but surely, boys, we will make it out of the hood. Slowly but surely, we're gonna make it out of the 9-to-5 hood. Okay? One day. One fucking day. That day might be a little bit closer than I thought, but one day. We're gonna get there. After you make the arm and in Blender, low-key trying to do an arm for a project. Well, let me turn off the music, because once Minecraft music's playing, I can't think. I just want to play Minecraft. So we're gonna turn on the most vibey background music shit like this. Hopefully this works. Hopefully it's not too loud. Okay. But yeah, that's the plan. That's, dude, Blender. Or sorry, not Blender. Jesus Christ, I'm going dyslexic. The sponsorship, maybe it's in the air. I need to read a little more about the contract, what that entails. But dude, you might make it out of the hood, guys. You might make it out of the hood. But it's a good sponsorship too. Like the sponsor, it's not like fucking Raid Shadow shits or something like that. It's like actually something that I would use. You know what I mean? Obviously, we're going to use it before. Obviously, you know, during stream we are going to go in depth and research the shit out of the company, obviously. But like once I tell you guys, you'd be like, holy shit, like really? Dude, when I read that fucking email, I was shitting my brains out. I forgot what. Oh, okay, I see. What is your plan after you make a robot arm in Blender? Low-key trying to do an arm for a project. What's our goal? So robot arm, so we're making 2 robot arms, technically speaking, right? The one kind of like right now, which is the cheap one. This is the cheap, shitty, just servo motors. The one that's going to be using these guys, that's going to be a separate one, because this is going to take so much stuff. Like so much time. Oh my god, this... yeah, so the one that's going to be using the big robot arm thing, that one's going to require a lot more attention to my safety, if that makes sense. Because there's going to be dozens of amps and dozens of volts being pumped through tiny wires. Like, you know what I mean? And it's like, there's going to be a lot more, like, it's going to be a lot more strenuous. And I think we're not going to be really recording or streaming, I should say. We're not going to be streaming the process of making that. We're just going to be streaming, or we're going to be recording it and then making it into a video. Right now, we just need to learn fucking Python and C++, because holy shit, life sucks not knowing Python. Like, my ignorance is not bliss. It's It's torture. Not knowing C++ and Python is torture. It is not bliss. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the Utah Tech trenches no longer. Dude, exactly. We are going to be moving up from the trenches of Utah. Said very well, my friend. Said very well. Sponsorship, bro. Dude, yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited. We're gonna look into it. We're gonna look into it. But yeah. Okay. Let's see. Bro is big time, dude. One time, maybe. The big leagues calling, dude. Literally, when I know, like, maybe if you guys have used like, you guys might have actually heard of these people. There's a chance. There's a chance you've heard of them. But dude, it's gonna be fucking sick. It's gonna be so sick. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Also, change the live chat. Oh, wet slobbery kisses for you. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you. That could have been catastrophic. That could have been catastrophic. You hear me? Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. I've been thinking when I get my PC stuff done, I should learn C++ to learn C++. If there is 2 languages I can recommend for beginners, C++ or Python. The reason why C++ is because you could do anything with it, basically. Like anything that's fun, okay? It's really, really fun. And it's useful, very useful. This just looks really strange right now. I don't really like it. We are gonna, you just gotta be right here, yeah. You're gonna be right here now. This is where you gotta be. Yeah, I really like C++. It's a good language. You should definitely, once your computer's all up and dandy, get that shit going, bro. Get that shit going. Okay, boys. It is time for us to do Blender. The blending shit. Time for us to blend some shit together. Okay, so here's what we did last time, right? We ended off with the thing being fucked out of this world. It was just absolutely atrocious. What we'll open up right now. We can actually make this probably a little bit bigger. Let's go like this. Not too much bigger. Let's go like this. Oh, let's go like this. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, so we're gonna go to open recent. What was it called? Was it called ARM? Robo ARM? Or ARM number 1? Let's try ARM number 1. Okay. Dear God. Okay, so everything here is to the correct dimension, right? Everything here is indeed to the correct dimension. This is good. This is really good. But there's one problem. Dude, we got a small problem, boys. When we try to get this guy going into a 3D slicer for the 3D printer, nah. It just doesn't work. Let's open it up. This is a 3D slicer for where is it? That 3D printer. It's like not this one, that one. You can see the corner right there. That one right there. This is a separate one. Yeah, no, we don't talk about that one. Create new project, right? I think open file, open project, import. Yeah, import. What if we're to open a project? Let's try this. Downloads, documents, 3D shit. It's not here. One sec. Okay. It is not that. We are just going to have to import. Import. STL. RoboArm. Wait, hold up. Documents, 3D shit. Well. Wait. Let's open this up. Let's see what's happening. Yes. Okay. You see, it kind of looks semi-normal, right? This part right here, yeah, it kind of, like a little, oh, well, hold on. It kind of has a small resemblance to this part. Wow. It kind of looks like that, doesn't it? But here's where you were mistaken. Here is the thing we need to solve right now in this moment. What the hell is this? Unknown terms. We're just going to exit that out. Here is the thing we need to solve this moment right now before we move any further. Okay, let's move this, right? Okay, look at this. Look how dope this is looking. Actually, we could probably rotate it. Yeah, let's rotate it. Oh my god, is Snap not on? Where's Snap? Okay, where is Snap? Okay, whatever. That's fine. We're just gonna go like that. Let's just. Here's the thing. We're gonna do a slice plate, right? Slice plate to see what the 3D printer is actually gonna be printing. Slice. Oh, well. Objects. Another layer can't be printed. Can't button slice. What? Floating region. Yep. Oh, so you guys can't see the error code. There's an error code right here. I don't know what this error code is about. Oh my god. Okay. One sec. We must fix these shenanigans we happen to got ourselves into. It's okay, chat. We'll fix this. We'll fix this right now. Just give us a moment, yeah. Why is everything else snapping, but then? Okay, what if we're to do this? We're gonna go with this. Control Shift Z. What the hell? Huh? Well, it's gone. It's gone. Yes, sir. We are making a robot. Progress? No, that's not that. No, no progress has been made. But robot arm, yes, absolutely. Progress is not in our dictionary yet. We haven't learned that vocabulary yet. We haven't put that into practice yet. But soon, hopefully, very soon. Let's import that one more time, yeah? Huh? Like this, huh? Okay, there we go. Okay, there's gotta be a snap function. Like a snap. Auto orient. Oh my god, what did I just do? Well. Let's go to rotate. Let's just go right here. This is literally this is it. This is all we need. We should be able to slice this now. Let's slice this. Let's slice the balls out of this thing, yeah? What do you guys say? We slice the balls out of this thing right now? Slice. Would you look at that? That is called a 10-gram slug lodged into the forehead caused by a rapidly accelerating bullet. That's what that is. This is what that is. This is horse shit. This is AIDS. This is malaria. That's what this is. That's what the fuck you are looking at right now. Why is this caused? Well, I don't know. Let's figure this out though. Let's figure this out. I feel like we can figure this out. Oh my god. Back. Delete actually. Oh, there's no delete button. Delete. Delete. Okay, we're gonna get to this. We are gonna get to this, boys. You silly little goose. You silly little goose. Oh, let's go right here. Huh? Let's get out of edit mode, yeah? Object mode. There we go. Well, we have 3 separate objects. Maybe are we not putting them in the right object? Like, this looks good. Like, let's check this out. Let's check this out. Oh, we're gonna have to put you right about. I hope you're doing swell. Alright, let's go like that. Okay, now here's a problem, man. Here's a problem, man. Let's go like this. Okay, let's go, let's select this guy too. Okay, we have these 2 so there's 3 objects, right? There's 3 objects. 1, 2, and 3. 3 objects. We're gonna select these 2 right here, okay? Just these 2. We're gonna ignore this guy over here. Let's go over here. Let's go into edit mode so we can see the vertices. Let's see. This seems like geometry to me, right? This seems like geometry to me. What about you guys? Does this seem like geometry to you? Oh my God. Hallelujah, amen. Hallelujah, amen. We have figured it out. We have figured it out. Look, boys, I want you to look very closely. You see how this out here is like connected? You see how this geometry right here is connected? But then watch this. Look at that. It's not connected. Problem has been solved, and the problem's gonna be so easy to fix. Oh my God. Oh, hallelujah. Praise the Blender gods. Press F. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, we might be 3D printing this we might be 3D printing now. Like that might be something that's happening like right now. If this like works. If this just Control C. Oh Lord. Let's get to praying, boys. Let's get to praying. Get out the printer gods. Let's go to F. C. It's a little bit awkward. I'm doing this really slow, I know, but we're gonna make it happen. We are gonna make it happen. Okay, we're gonna go C. F. Okay, C. Did we unselect this? No, we did not. Okay, let's go C. C. Oh, wait. Right? C. Make sure nothing else is selected. And then, if we press F, to the best of my knowledge, that should work. That should work, yeah. Yeah. That tracks with the problem we're oh, look at that. Another problem has been spotted. This geometry right now, right? Because you see how this is only one plane thick? There's only one, it's kind of hard to see, but there's only one plane right here. Right? There's only one plane. It's not thick. And guess what? You try to go print that? No. You don't get to print it. That is why it doesn't exist. Because there was no geometry to print. We were trying to print an atom. It was an atom thick. It was actually smaller than an atom that we were trying to print. No wonder it was throwing an error. Let's fix that right now. We know how to fix this right now. Watch this. Watch this. Boom, boom. So we got these two top ones selected. Right? Bam and bam. Right? Let's turn around. Oh, let's go like this. Oh, let's go like this. Let's go like this. Now we're looking the other direction. Right? The other direction. Control C. Bam. Bam. Watch this. We're going to press F. And these lines should disappear. If that didn't tickle your fucking pickle, I don't know what would. Oh my God. Look at that. Dude, oh. I thought this was going to be AIDS. I thought this was going to be AIDS. Oh, look, okay, look at this. This is a failure in the geometry as well. We can't have this. We can't have this right here. This is terrible. This is not good geometry. Look, we need a thicken. Thick. Capital TH. Thick. Okay? Where's the alt? What is it? Shift? What's happening? Alt. Huh? Well, the alt button does not work. Interesting. I don't know. That's okay. We can go to wireframe mode. Well, we kind of need it, don't we? Oh, there you go. Oh, well, we can't change that. We're gonna have to either pull the whole thing forward or the whole thing backwards. Yeah, this is really thin as well. Honestly, it's not a problem right now. If it's shitty geometry, we'll fix it later. No, it's shitty geometry. We can't fix it later. We just need to figure out. Yeah, we need to figure out how the alt button. I got a new keyboard. I didn't get a new keyboard. I'm borrowing my friend's keyboard right now. So, right now, we should be able to do this, right? We should be able to do this. I'm gonna like that. You should be able to. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to demonstrate that on. That's not happening. That is not happening. Oh, and if suddenly the camera dies and you can't see me, it's because this camera's notorious for overheating. But we'll learn as we go. You know what I'm saying, boys? Okay, wait. Alt. I should be able to do Alt to select this plane. That works too. Go into edit mode or object mode. Bam, bam, bam. Edit. And then here's what we're going to do. Okay, G. Oh, we can't make it any bigger. That's right. Yeah, we can. G. Let's go like right about there. Because we're trying to make this thicker, right? This part right here, if this is thin, there's a lot of tension. There's a lot of pressure in this one area. And if that is thin like this, then it's just gonna say hallelujah and just break, you know? Oh, it's G. There we go, boys. We were making steady progress. What? There was some other problems with it. What was happening? What? Okay. We have fixed one problem. Which was this, right? There was no thing for it to print, right? What the hell's happening? Right? There was no thing for it to print. It was just tweaking out. There was nothing. It was broken. But now, by doing that, this whole thing might have been just fixed. This whole thing. I really don't understand how that's possible right here. Like how in the fuck it made these shapes out of nothing, out of literally nothing. Like it made those shapes out of literally nothing. Like there's nothing there. There's no caps or anything. So we're gonna have to figure that one out as we go. I think you try adding a slope for the huge ass rectangle to the arm part so that it's more smooth. Okay, I know exactly what you're talking about, right? You're talking about, well, let me select this. I tried that. I know you are a proper engineer, obviously thinking in the right area, right? You're saying, oh, slope this, right? To where there's more like area for it to catch on, right? Because this is terrible. This is awful. You are correct. You are correct. You are 100% correct. This is shitty. This is so shitty. I should slope this right here to where there's a lot more tension. There's a lot more like dispersed tension. But we can't do that. Why? You may be asking. Why can't you do that? It's because I'm retarded and I don't know how to do Blender anymore. The last time I touched this program professionally was like 4 years ago. But we'll do that sometime. But very, very, very. I can tell you were an intellect. I can tell because that was a very astute idea, one that would have harbored proper results. Yes. Let's see. If you don't mind me suggesting, I don't mind at all. Suggest everything. There are some 3D print built-in add-ons that can fix that. When you enable it, it appears on your right sidebar, and you can join the 3 objects and select, make, modify. That's it. See, that is something we will be doing, but not right now. You may be asking, why not right now? It's because we have exactly that much time before I have to go to my work. I'm currently an hour late for my job. Actively. If you are here and you're not subscribed and you like building robot arms, you should consider subscribing because that'd mean a lot because I'm actively losing money right now. But yeah, no, good idea though, my friend. Very good idea. It's just we only have this very small amount of time and I don't want to learn plugins. You know what I'm saying? We just want to get this hoe on the printer and start printing it. You know what I'm saying? You I think you're smelling the shit that I'm stepping in right now. You know what I'm saying? You're catching what I'm throwing. Okay. Let's export this. Export. Export. STL. STD. ARM number 1. Let's say it's going to be called this now. Control C. It is going to be called. I don't know if the stream will be able to pick this up, but well, we need to make sure that the dot is still in there. There we go. It is our boy's name. That's what it is. It's gonna be our boy's name. Okay. Export STL and 3D shit. Export. Okay. Let's go to here. Let's go back to preview. Go right here. Let's delete. Where's the delete button? There it is. Delete. File. Import. STD. There we go. Import. Yes. It. What the fuck? um. Okay, boys, we have run into a small problem. You run into a small problem. Yeah. What the boys? What the fuck's happening? Okay. Um. Ooh, that. You were correct. There are three separate objects, as you have said. And I am trying to 3D print them, but they're three separate objects, so it's not going to work. Even if the geometry is really close to each other, they are fundamentally three separate objects. So go back to Blender. They're three separate objects. So, okay, let's go out of edit mode. Boom, boom, boom. Cube. What's cube? Where's cube? What if we're to select these? Put them all on the same object. No. That's modified. Oh, we can remove. We can remove the well. Wait. Oh, delete. There you go. Cube. I think we can remove this. Remove. Okay, we have three things. Oh, how do I do this? Unlink. No, we want to do the opposite of this. We want to link. We want to link. View. App new collection. I feel like we are on the precipice of something that's divine. Okay, we're on the precipice of something that is just absolutely ecstatic, riveting, if I will. Deselect. We're gonna do unlink. Oh, that was a close one. Okay, let's hold up. What are you guys yapping about in chat? What are y'all yapping about? Oh, I see. By the way, do you want me to find a clip from the Minecraft stream? Dude, there is the clip of it's towards the latter half of homie was literally got blown up by a creeper, and I was running after the creeper trying to kill it, and dude, it was comic. It was comic. It was peak. But yeah, if that would be great. That would be great, my friend. And I'm sorry if I'm not like replying as often. I'm so fucking busy. It's not funny. I've never been more busy in my life. Somehow I'm able to press record on this stream. Somehow. Yeah, I do apologize if I haven't been too consistent with the communication. But yes, that would be amazing. That would be divine. No, I'm honored that you were here, my friend. I am honored that you were here. Let's see. What are you making, buddy? I'll tell you exactly what we're making. We're making a big bussin' bomba clot robot arm. Oh shit! What just happened? Yeah, we're making a big bussin' bomba clot robot arm, and it's divine. It's so sick. But we are currently having problems with Blender and my naive inability to operate it. But that is okay. Maybe we have fixed it right here. Maybe. Who knows? But likely not. That was two separate objects. It's crazy. That it would look at it. Am I tweaking, boys, or is there what? Okay, I'm going schizophrenic. I need someone in chat to confirm that I'm not going schizo right now. There's no geometry right here, right? We're not. I'm not going schizophrenic. There's no geometry right here, right? Then why the fuck? I must become schizophrenic. Oh, can I just select it? Tell me I can just select it. Yeah, if this thing were to print, I'm sure it's going to be all over the place. Okay, let's just slice it. Come on. That's our only goal. We have 10 minutes. Boys, if you were just joining us, we have 10 minutes before I have to go back to my 9 to 5 job, and I'm not joking. If you have a large penis, or you like robot arms, not robot arms, maybe you like robotics, maybe you like building shit with Arduinos, maybe you like making robots with servos and giant bomba clot motors and shit like that. If that's like the type of shit you're into, I would suckle your pickle right now if you would consider the notion of subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Let me tell you, it'd mean a lot to me. So yeah, for those of you that have already been subscribed for a long time, I'm gonna do some devious stuff to you tonight. Okay, devious. It's don't even you worry. Don't even you worry. Yeah, I appreciate you boys. I appreciate you all. Let's try slicing this and see what type of schizophrenic result we get. Slice. Alright, let's see. It's gonna work. Of course it's gonna work because we put so much time into this. This is gonna work, right? It's gonna look normal. It's gonna look like this. Okay. Well. Okay, so the part that I was least confident about, which was this one, turned out perfectly. Turned out literally perfect. Like, look, you can see the individual layer lines and everything. Like this part turned out absolutely divine. It was perfect into every way. It's divine. But then we get over here, the part that maybe I select the wrong file. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I select the wrong file because this is like the no. It's the same. Okay, let's try that one more time. Yeah, shall we? Let's try that one more time. Let's go to file. Let's see. What did we export it as? Let's just export this. Yeah. File. Export. STD. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Export STD. Okay. The STD has been exported. Now let's go ahead over here. Let's go over here. Let's import. Let's import some shit into here. Huh? Import STD. Yeah. Right there. There we go. Yes. Why? How? This. Why? This is not ideal for my mental health. Why? Why is this fine? The part that I had least confidence in. I don't know, dude. Okay, what do you guys think? Why Blender though? Oh, good question. Why Blender? Because I don't want to pay for 3D CAD because I'm broke. I'm chronically broke, and I don't want to pay for 3D CAD. Very good question. I get it. Oh, I see what you mean. Let's see. Let's go. I guess I got a friend who could help you with CAD. Yeah. I just need to redo Blender. I just need to relearn Blender because I haven't touched Blender in 9 million years, and that's not an exaggeration. That's not an exaggeration. Bro is not beating the alligator. Oh yeah, dude, no. Yeah. Well. Hopefully I don't show up on the list. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I don't show up on that list. Yeah. Let's see. First options are oh, I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad. Guess who's gonna focus on their 9 to 5 job now? Me in about 5 fucking minutes. About 5 minutes. FreeCAD. Yeah, FreeCAD. No, that's the thing, right? But I know Blender. Okay, we're saying that, but then like, look at this piece of fucking shit. Right? I can't say I know Blender. I have touched Blender in the Rodusi before, and I am familiar with with how it feels. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. There are the free things out there. It's just a lot of, you know what I mean. Like Blender's just nice, just nice. Fusion 360, dude. I don't want malware on my computer. I don't want malware on my computer. You know what I'm saying. I don't. It's like installing Adobe. It's like you just basically selling your soul to Satan himself. Let's see. Also, pretty sure Fusion for just yeah, Community Edition. We have that on our computer. Fusion 360. I think we have it. No, that was my old laptop. My poor rinkety dinkety. Yeah, no, we don't have that on this PC, luckily. Also pretty. I don't know. I haven't used it. Fusion 360 is good, but it's not no Blender. I thought Blender has step learning curve. Oh yeah, it does. It does. I'm trying plasticity in Blender, or is that like a thing? I don't know. That's sick, dude. That's bonkers, my boy. I'm glad that you're here. Thank you for joining us too, by the way. Yeah, you know Blender for exactly. Yeah. We know Blender. We know exactly why this is happening. Well, is it filling in the thing? Well, I want to see what's happening inside of this thing. Let's go like this. Okay. Right. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's happening. It's a thing. Fuck yeah, brother. A thing? I didn't know that. Okay. What the flying fuck is wrong with this? Do you boys see any loose geometries? Any loose geometries you boys seeing? Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm. Mm. Oh, I found it. I have AIDS. That's what it is. It must be that. It must be that I have AIDS and cancer and a little bit of malaria. A little bit of all that. Because this thing looks fucking divinely perfect. Because obviously it is, because it's something of my creation. I think that it's just so perfect that the slicer doesn't want to print it. You know what I'm saying? Like it would disrupt what is it called? The entropy of this world. You know what I mean? I would be taking chaos and I'd be putting it into such a divine object. It would it would probably disrupt entropy and create a black hole or something like that. That's probably why the universe is prohibiting me from printing this right now. That is quite likely the reason why that's happening. Like that's fucking weird. That is a little weird. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. Maybe look at the keyframe mode or keyframe. You might be onto something. I think it's fine. If we saw geometry move, though, then that would be not good. Yeah, no. Oh. I'm going schizophrenic. I saw something move. I'm going schizophrenic. It's official. I might need to go on some meds or something. Huh. Gay blows transfers 8. Or you get it from your Blender file not working properly. Either or are very valid uses of transferring that yeah. This is more of a cancer situation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think it's cancer. Maybe it's the edges. Maybe it's in the edges. Maybe these aren't connected. Let's go out of object mode. Let's select this. Wait, why isn't it selecting this? Oh, there we go. Now it's edit. Let's go into a wireframe. You might have just found it. I think we just did it. I think we just found what the cancer. I think we just found it. I think we know what happened. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah, it's selecting them all. I suppose. So that's good. But I didn't have the option for, so, wait. But this one, that might have been it, boys. This one, I don't think I don't need it. Let's export this hoe. File. Export. STD. Okay. RUD 06543212345 Export. Boys, we might be cooking here. We might be fucking cooking. Okay, let's go like this. Oh my god. When did this go off? Well, I'm late for work by 2 hours. That's okay. Sacrifices must be made, my boys. If you are just joining us and you have a large appendage attached to your legs called your penis, and it is large, you should consider the notion of subscribing, because only large appendaged people can subscribe. Only. Okay. So, if you do, we know who you are. We know what it is you're packing, and we appreciate that very much if you did. Please, I beg of. Oh my god, it's still doing AIDS. Why? This is cancer. This is cancerous material. I meant wireframe. We're on the same psycho train, dude. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Said very well. Said very well. Okay. Let's try it. I know it's not gonna work. Okay. This makes me want to fucking lodge a piece of lead in between my eyes. Boys, I don't know what the fuck's happening here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you at all. I don't know what the fuck's happening right here. Just give us some chill background music. I honestly don't have the time for chill background music. We need to be getting going. But we're gonna get some pumping music anyways, because why not? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's copyright the shit out of this video. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's over here that it's the hemorrhage is happening. Maybe. Let's try it. Let's make sure. Edit. Potentially. Merge vertices at center. Merge vertices at center. This very well could have been it. There's a chance that was it, actually. That would have fucked everything up. There's a chance. Okay, we're gonna go to File, Export. Wait. Yeah, Export. This might work, actually. There's a chance that actually is what the problem was. Not 100%. But it's not 0. That's what we need, is not 0. Okay. Import. Okay, boys, if this doesn't work, I do have to go to work, unfortunately. So let's pray that this shit looks like a functioning kid without Tourette's. If it does look like a dysfunctional kid with Tourette's and like Down syndrome and shit like that, not that that's a bad thing, it just means you have a ways to go. That's all. It just means we have a ways to go. So, let's just pray. This is the moment where you pray. Well, we got the kid with Down syndrome. We got the kid with Down syndrome. Not that that's bad. That's not bad. It's just there are some undesired traits upon his file. Fuck. Fuck it. You gotta realize that even the biggest trucks need a little gas. I'm gonna go to work now because I'm 2 hours late and I want to put a bullet in between my eyes, and my will to live is fleeting at best. I have 0 skills in Python, 0 skills in C++, 0 skills in Blender, and my ability to perform anything is subpar. We'll be fixing that hopefully soon with before the lodging of a slug in between my eyes takes place. But who knows? Yeah, boys, I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work so bad. It was really fun though, boys. Hey, if you haven't, it would do me a great favor if you consider the notion of subscribing. It really would. I'm sure that the only people right now that are watching are subscribed. But if you haven't, that means a lot to me. That would mean a lot to me. But thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry that we didn't get to put that hole on the printer. Very, very sad noises. But that's okay, because sometimes you just gotta not print anything, because yeah. Appreciate you, boys. Maybe some fix can be found, dude. Maybe, hopefully. Send the Blender file in Discord. I'm gonna do that right now. We're gonna go like this because it's clearly work. We're gonna go like this because it clearly doesn't work. We're gonna go like let's go like this. Let's go like this. Yeah, boys. I appreciate you for being here. I appreciate you boys for being big balls. You guys have clearly the largest of testicles. It's going to be Sir Fracture joining literally at the last millisecond. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna send it to you, my boy. I'm gonna send it to you in the inside the thing. Oh, what's up? I didn't even realize you were here, my boy. Hey, I didn't even realize you were fucking here, dude. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing swell. I hope you're doing better than I am. I hope you're doing a lot better than I am. I bet you're doing great. I bet you're doing so great. Oh, you can't see it because my fat face is in the way. I hope you boys are doing well. I hope all of you boys are doing well. Thank you boys for stopping by. Now we're gonna like this. We're gonna upload a file. We're gonna go to where is it? 3D shit. It's one with all the 5s. There you go. We are to upload this. Enter. There you go. Yeah, dude. Holy shit. What type of shit are you guys doing? What type of Jesus Christ? You guys are doing some black magic in that Discord. Black magic. Yeah, I hope you boys are doing absolutely swell. Thank you boys for being here. We're gonna honestly tonight when I get back from work, I might create that video on how it is we are supposed to get into the Minecraft server. How, for those of you that want to actually join the Minecraft server, it's a little difficult right now if you don't know how to. So I think we might do that. Yeah. Black magic. Oh, dude. Black magic be everywhere these days. I hope you boys have a swell one. I hope you have a swell time. Goodbye. I hope you have a swell time. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
残酷な天使のように少年よ神話になれ青い風が今胸のドアを叩いても私だけをただ見つめて微笑んでるあなたそっとくれるもの求めることに夢中で運命さえまだ知らない痛いけな瞳だけどいつか気づくでしょうその背中には
That was the moon. It's really cool. Like, look, that's a full moon right there. Big bomba clot moon. Very sick. I hope you boys have a swell time. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate every single one of you. Truly, I do. Thank you for you boys that joined the Discord. Thank you for boys that have stuck around for so long. Thank you boys that have given me advice. Thank all of you guys. I appreciate you so much. And remember, above all else, you gotta stay focused. Stay focused, my bros. Hold up. Where is it? It's not here. Whatever. Stay focused, boys.